So guys, hello again, it's me, Shiro Plays. So let me show you how your team will be. Okay, this is your main DPS. My main DPS is Kalcharo, or some of you will have Gian, or some of you will have Encore. It's up to you, it's up to your preference, but you can buff up your main DPS by leveling up these echoes. Okay, so first thing first is focus on your main DPS, because you can easily kill monster if you buff up your main DPS. Okay, we are clear here, so let's move on to what I build here. Okay, this is very important, the echo set of your buffer. Yang is a buffer because of her outro skill. See, outro skill meaning to say when Yang is on the field, then let's say here, then this green bar I'm clicking is full, you can transfer to your main DPS. That will be outro skill, meaning to say Yang will be out, Kalcharo will be in. For those who are confused about this thing, because some people are confused about this outro intro. Okay, there's a lot to be considered. Intro skill is when you are transferring to another character, let's say here Yang. So intro skill, if this one I'm clicking is full, then Kalcharo will activate his intro skill, then Yang will activate his hair outro skill. Okay, so it's very clear. So what I do here, what I build here is this set echo skill. I think this is the best echo skill, main echo skill for your buffer. I call this buffer because outro skill is only giving your main DPS for resonant energy per second over 5 seconds. Mean to say it's 20 resonant energy around 5 seconds. So, which is very good because Kalcharo need to activate his resonant liberation. So liberation is this one. This is the main damage dealing skill of Kalcharo. Okay, so we came back here again in Yang. Best echo set for Yang is Moonlight Clouds, because it regains the energy, and also upon using outro skill, increase attack of the next resonator. You will buff up your main DPS for this one. This is very important, Moonlight Clouds, for your debuffer. Okay, what are the Moonlight Clouds echo? Like this, you can filter, then Moonlight Clouds, you can see here. Now I just randomly build this. I think the stats here don't matter much, because it will Yang will not stay on the field longer. You just need to buff your main DPS. But what I think is the most important thing is this bell burn. See, activate the protection bell burn. Geo Chalon, dealing glacial damage to nearby enemy based on the current character depth. Okay, what you mean by this? It also reduced the incoming damage. It increased the damage dead. This is very good for a buffer. See what I told you. I will activate this echo. See the bell. Then you switch to your main DPS. See, it adapts whenever you are switching. It adapts the buff. It is adapting. See. So mean to say, all of that description on that echo, your main DPS will, what you call this one, will also share, will also benefits from that. That is very good. You cannot find any echo that gives that good buff to your main DPS. See, and also my Kalcharo is, I think I have, see, 1000 left. So its proportion of the damage is 1000 depth will give to my main DPS. Now for the healer. Okay, what you need to build your healer is of course healing, rejuvenating glow. Okay, I am not sure very yet, but I think this will be the best for your healer, because as I told you, healer is for healing, right? So rejuvenating glow, healing, healer, rejuvenating glow. Okay, then upon healing allies, increase attack of the entire team. It's very good. And also it can heal your team larger than any other set, because you need healer to heal, right? Very simple. And also what I like about Verina is her outro skill heals the next character or other character, okay, by 90% of her attack. So I think you can build attack on Verina. You can build attack echoes, so more attack, more heal. It's very good. And also about the echo set, I've already told you. I just want to clarify the outro skill of Verina again here. Okay, of her attack, so I mean to say attack, you need to build attack for Verina. Okay, all characters on nearby team gains 15% all type damage depend. I don't know what they mean by depend. Maybe this one is penetration or what, I'm not sure, but let's just try this one so I can show you. But I don't know, this boss will die easily, so it will not fully benefits our team composition on this. Of course I will use my Calcharo first, then I will switch to my Verina, so I will have buff, then heal, then skill, then I can switch again to my Calcharo. Then if I use all my skill again, then I can use my Yang to give outro skill for what you call this one, for my DPS. Then again we can click this one, so as you can see my Resonant Liberation energy is increasing, then I can easily do this. So I already clicked the, okay, I will click this again because it will give me more damage. Then I will transfer to Calcharo, then it will die easily. Only one time Resonant Liberation. Okay, that's it. That's how you maximize your damage by using the correct echoes and the correct sets. So I think that will be enough, because it is longer than I thought. Okay, I hope you will learn from this to how to build your team position. Okay, thank you very much.